Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our private national conference call for prepaid legal services and identity theft shield. You were probably invited to listen to this call today by somebody who thought you might be interested in starting up a home-based business for yourself to generate an additional income stream or a passive residual income that will be able to come in long after you're done working and sitting under a palm tree. Well, Prepaid Legal Services, folks, has been in business for over 34 years. Publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange. We've been featured in every magazine and newspaper you can possibly think of, from USA Today, Wall Street Journal, Washington Post, Success, Forbes, Fortune, Money, Black Enterprise, all talking about the need for our services and how our company is sweeping across North America. Folks, Prepaid Legal Services has an incredible track record of success, but more importantly, where we're headed is the most important aspect for you to hear about today, because it's about you being able to position yourself in front of a trend instead of behind a trend. And as you think about Prepaid Legal Services, I had heard of the company years ago, and I never really understood exactly what the services could do. But when I finally took a look at the presentation, I said, I need this service. I signed up right away. Think about it. Have you ever been overcharged for a repair? Have you ever tried to return a defective product and met with some resistance? Have you ever been treated unfairly? Have you ever lost a security deposit, purchased a home, prepared a will? You know, these are just a few of the thousands of things that we all deal with every single day in our lives. But unfortunately, we don't typically solicit the help of attorneys to help us with these situations. Why? Because of the high cost. At a couple $100 an hour, the phone gets pretty heavy. Well, what Prepaid Legal does for your attorney and legal fees is what medical insurance has always done for your hospital and doctor fees. In other words, most of the legal services that you would like to have access to on a daily basis can be already prepaid through a small monthly fee with a Prepaid Legal membership. Bottom line, folks, we've got tens of thousands of people on a monthly basis that are subscribing to become Prepaid Legal members because they're now finding out that they can have access to the legal system for the very first time without having to pay the huge hourly rates. In addition to the legal plan, we also have Kroll, the #1 company in the world in risk management, who has actually partnered up with Prepaid Legal Services to address the fastest-growing white-collar crime in America today called identity theft. It's in the news every night. It's in the newspapers every morning, and I'm sure you know about how bad identity theft is, whether it be your credit card information getting stolen, people hacking into your bank accounts, your Social Security number getting compromised, your medical records, your driver's records. Here's the thing. It's the fastest-growing crime out there. People all know about it, but most people don't know what to do about it. Well, Kroll was the same company that the U.S. government used to unravel Enron. The Kuwaiti government used them to track down Saddam Hussein's bank accounts around the world. The FBI and the SEC use them for their forensic accounting. Well, Prepaid Legal is going to bring their experience and expertise to you to do three things with the Identity Theft Shield. Number one, gives you access to a free credit report right away, because some people haven't looked at the report in months, and we definitely want to make sure that your identity may or may not have already been stolen. The second thing our service will do is give you access to continuous monitoring of your credit as an early detection warning system to help prevent something bad from getting worse. And a third thing our service will do is give you access to identity restoration. The FTC's reports are saying that some victims are spending upwards of hundreds of hours cleaning up their name and getting their identity restored. Now, would you know how to deal with the police reports, affidavits, credit repositories, banks, lawsuits, creditors? I wouldn't know what to do, wouldn't want to take the many, countless hours to do it. Well, with our service, you're going to have a licensed investigator that will be assigned to you to help you with the entire restoration process. The bottom line, the Prepaid Legal membership and the Identity Theft Shield, you're going to have access to the most incredible services, with the legal plan giving you unlimited phone consultation and letters and phone calls on your behalf, and contract and document review, and getting your will drafted for you, and a whole array of other services added on with the Identity Theft Shield, not for thousands of dollars a month, not for hundreds of dollars a month, but for less than $36 a month or less than the price of a cup of coffee, less than the price of a bottle of water a day, and you have access to these services for you and for your family. No wonder we're signing up tens of thousands of new customers a month to add on to the over 1.5 million families that already have these benefits. Folks, the bottom line, we've got two incredibly needed services brought to the marketplace by two very substantial powerhouse companies, and they're allowing you to personally get involved with our company today as a marketing associate to get paid three different ways for helping us get the word out about these services. The first way to get paid, personal advance commissions. Every person that you refer to get our services and they sign up, whether you send their application in or whether they go to a website link that we'll set up for you, you're going to get paid anywhere from $34 up to over $250 in an upfront commission for each person that you refer. Folks, Can you imagine going out and marketing 5, 10, 15, 20 memberships this week, and you do the math times anywhere from $34 to $250? That income can get very large and very real. The second way we get paid is override income. It's called leverage. The opportunity for you to go out and build your own marketing team. If you know anybody else that would be interested in starting their own home-based business alongside with you, you can actually get paid every time they sign somebody up and they get the huge upfront advance commission. Prepaid Legal will also pay you an additional override check of anywhere from $34 up to well over $180. So you're getting paid when you're signing people up, and you're getting paid when others are signing people up, even when you had nothing to do with those transactions. The third way we get paid, residual income. How does that work? It simply means that you sign somebody up for services one time, yet you get paid over and over and over and over for what you did once. Imagine getting paid a huge upfront commission tomorrow for signing somebody up today. But in addition to that, 3 years, 4 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years from now, for every customer that you signed up or your team signed up that remains in the books, you get paid a percentage, a renewal or residual income for the lifetime of every one of those customers that remains on the service. Folks, with less than 3% market penetration, that simply means that 97 out of 100 people in North America do not have these services yet, although they all need the services and they find value in them, and they're signing up as fast as they're hearing about it. So what's your call to action? Of course, smart people get this membership. So now that you've got the knowledge, you can own this membership for you and for your family. So sign up. You'll be glad you did, and there's no contract length. Second, enroll today as a marketing associate. We can show you how simple it is to refer people for this $36 membership and get paid $138 very quickly, and it can increase from there. And all without the typical huge business startup costs. So get back to whoever invited you to hear this call, and they'll provide you the details on how fast you can get up and running in this business. Make this your breakout opportunity. So long for now.